Derek LeMay.
And I'm Thomas Artho.
And this is Lake Fenton's Video News.
Blue Devil Talk.
For the week of February 6, 1995.
The NHS is sponsoring the MDA Bowl-a-thon. The Bowl-a-thon will be on February 24th from 12:30 to 6:30 a.m. at Fenton Lanes. Anyone in grades 9 through 12 who is interested should see Mr. Isham in the library for a Bowl-a-thon packet. You need to receive a minimum of $25 in donations. The Bowl-a-thon benefits the Muscular Dystrophy Association, and last year we raised over $2,000. Thank you.
All right, Derek, that sounds good. The Winterfest lock-in on March 17 will be sponsored by the Student Council. It will be from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the high school gym. It only costs you $8, and we're going to play euchre and other card games. Additionally, there will be volleyball games and basketball games, but you have to sign up in the high school office before that. Disc jockey Jeremy Fenech will play music all night long, and there will be a dance from 10 to midnight. Additionally, there will be food and pop free for you and for everyone.
The yearbook committee needs pictures for the 1995 edition. If you have any pictures for the yearbook, bring to Mr. Ashton in the library.
Another message from the Student Council. They're having a button sale. Lake Fenton Blue Devil buttons cost $1 each. You can buy them at Lake Fenton sporting events, or you can see council members to purchase buttons.
And now here's Brad and Eric Landis with Lake Fenton Blue Devil Sports.
And this is a scoop on sports with Blue Devil Talk. Over the past weekend, the wrestling team finished second at the 10-team Beecher Invitational. Lake Fenton had 5 champs, which include Ryan Ruddy, Eric Paladin, Mike Kirby, Joel Imodowski, and Sean Mann. Tony Martin placed second, while Jeremy Sage and Sean Sage were third. The varsity volleyball team won both matches in a tri-match with Hamity and New Northrop. First, the Blue Devils beat Hamity 15-4, 15-12, when Amy Lizakowski led the team with 7 kills. And Patty LeBranch served 12 for 12 with 3 aces. Next, the Devils beat New Northrop 16-14, 15-4. Again, Amy led the team with 6 kills. Jill Nutt and Jessica Briggs each had 4 aces, and Jenny Allen and Amy Luzakowski had 2 blocks each. The JV volleyball team won both matches at their tri-meet against Atherton, which they won 15-6, 15-10, and then New Northrop 15-7 both times. Liz Sav had 16 points, and Michelle Hind had 13 points. Kelly Jones was named player of the game. All freshmen and sophomores interested in playing JV baseball this spring. There's a preseason sign-up this Friday, February 3rd during lunch in the weight room. Stop by and fill out a player profile sheet and receive starting dates and other information. There are free tickets for the Detroit Junior Red Wings versus the Kitchener Rangers at the Joe Louis Arena on Wednesday, February 3rd at 7 o'clock p.m. Tickets are available in the high school office from the athletic secretary, Mrs. Harris. And now back to Tom, Derek, and Carlos.
Thanks, guys. And now here's Jeremy Fenech.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Fenech, director and producer of Blue Devil Talk. If you have any ideas, suggestions, or if you'd like to join the Devil Talk crew, there will be a suggestion box in the library. Just leave your name, suggestion, any way that you could help out, whether it be on the camera or behind the scenes, just let us know. Now I'm going to go back to the anchors, Carlos, Thomas, and Derek.
Next week, Jeremy Fenech will be in Quebec, bringing you a story on the Winter Festival.
If you would like more information about Blue Devil Talk, please see Jeremy Fenech or Mr. Kerr.
All right, that's our first episode of Blue Devil Talk for this week. We would like to thank all the people behind the scenes, Jeremy Fenech, our director, and our sports reporter, Eric and Brad Landis. My name is Tom Artho.
I'm Carlos Solano.
And I'm Derek LeMay. See you next week.